Hey guys, so I'm really sorry that I was gone for quite a while last month because I was having a really shitty time last month. I just wanted to get back into the groove of things by talking about stuff that I love, which is K-beauty and skincare and makeup. So yeah, we are just going to review a lot of K-beauty products today, and I'm going to let you guys know whether or not I think that it's worth buying, whether it's worth the price, and whether it's worth the hype really. So yeah, let's get started. So fortunately, the first product that I have to talk about in this video is actually my favorite product in this entire video, and this is the rice toner from the brand I'm From. And I was really lucky because in my last video that I did, this K-beauty haul and review with you guys, a viewer actually recommended that I try this because they wanted to know whether it was good or not. And reading about it online, I was pretty interested in it, so I ordered it. I've been using this for about 5 weeks, maybe almost 6 weeks now, and this has been my daily toner, and I love this. This is my favorite toner that I've used so far, and I just really love it. This has a very noticeable brightening effect, and my skin looks so radiant and so much more even after I use this. It evens out any like hyperpigmentation or redness or maybe like freckles or scarring, and I find that this works insanely well, probably even better than like some vitamin C products that I've used. It's perfect for dry skin because it's so moisturizing as well. So yes, I really love this product. Thank you so much to whoever recommended that I try this. Next, let's talk about my favorite subject in the world, which is serums. I have the Pineapple C Bright Serum, and this is brightening and smoothing. So I've used like almost 1/4 of this. I was using this for a really long time, maybe like 2 months or so, and I really loved it because it worked so well. It brightened up my skin so nicely, and my skin looked so radiant and so bright, and I could see a lot of my redness and discoloration and past acne scars and like random misplaced freckles sort of like disappear. And I was really into it, and I was going to tell you guys to like go out and buy this and that it's like my favorite serum in the world until it started breaking me out. I really don't know why 2 months down the line, after I had been using this pretty much every single day, that I started to have a reaction. Sometimes my skin just does that, and I don't really know why. My skin will just randomly turn against products, and I just can't use them anymore. So I guess I'm on the fence on whether I should say that I like it or that I don't like it, because I actually do really love this product, except for the fact that it started breaking me out, and I honestly can't tell you why because I couldn't figure it out. I'm going to bet on that my skin itself is the issue here, because my skin will just randomly turn against products and it will just start hating things that I love. So I'm gonna say that I still do like this product because it's so good. I wish I could still use it. It's so good. So next I have these serums from, who is it from? Sweet Chef, and this is the sister brand to Glow Recipe. And the price point for these is pretty affordable. I think they're about $20, and they're available in Target. So it's made to be like a more affordable and accessible version of skincare. It also came with this little recipe card. They have these like recipes to sort of mix and match these serums and customize it for your skin. So the concept, packaging, everything, I loved it. Unfortunately, I did not like the product. So out of these products, I'm only going to review these two because I have yet to try their kale and vitamin B serum. I will probably get to this in another video for you guys. Let's just talk about the ginger and vitamin C and also beet and vitamin A serum shot. So following their sweet skin, it's my timer to water my plants. So according to the recipe card, you mix 1 drop of their beet serum with 1 drop of their ginger serum. So it says that their ginger serum is supposed to brighten dark spots and uneven tones, and that's essentially what a vitamin C serum should do. And their beet and vitamin A serum is supposed to refine pores and smooth rough skin. So it's supposed to be like a glass skin serum. So mixing these two together, I thought magic was gonna happen, but nothing really happened. It did start to break me out a little bit. I actually had friends who I had try this with me at the same time because we all thought that it was like so fun and so cute. It broke out 2 of my friends as well, but actually that's not the thing that I disliked the most about this product. I really disliked the texture. It is so sticky, and I tried using them separately as well. They're just insanely sticky. It's so sticky and it doesn't dry down for quite a while, so about like an hour after using this, I'll just be like walking around with this sticky face. And they actually also have these sheet masks of their serum shots. That I hate to say this, but I hated it because it was way stickier than the original serum product, which is already sticky. I guess maybe because it's a sheet mask, so it's like jam-packed with the serum. It was so sticky that I actually couldn't go to sleep that night because my face kept like sticking to my pillowcase, and every time I woke up I would like pull my face away from my pillowcase, and it was just like, it was an unpleasant feeling. So I have to say, unfortunately, I love everything about the concept, but the execution, it was not for me. It's just so sticky. So continuing with products from Huxley, I have 2 of their moisturizers today, and these were really trendy at some point. I have the Secret of Sahara Cream Glow Awakening, which is their niacinamide moisturizer, and also their probably like most trendy item. This is the Secret of Sahara Cream Anti-Gravity. First, let me start with, is it better to start with the negatives or the positives? I guess I'm gonna start with the negative. This is their niacinamide cream, and I really disliked it. I think more than anything, I just really disliked the texture. It goes on my skin kind of oily almost, which I, needless to say, did not enjoy very much. So yeah, just like the texture was completely off-putting. I didn't even get to use this long enough for me to see if there was an actual like brightening effect from the niacinamide, just because I hated the texture so much. It's very greasy. So I've got to say that I didn't particularly like this product. But on the plus side, for their anti-gravity cream, I actually did really like this a lot. So this moisturizer is on the thicker side. It's sort of like a heavy cream, but then when you like rub it into your skin, it sort of like melts in. And although it is a thicker cream, it doesn't feel heavy on my skin. It didn't feel greasy, and it did soak into my skin quite quickly and leave it feeling soft and hydrated. So I did like this moisturizer more than their niacinamide one. Next, I have a product from CosRX, and this is the Hyaluronic Acid Intensive Cream. So this cream is very hydrating. It is as intensely hydrating as it's supposed to be. And as somebody who has really dry skin, I thought that this would be really great for me to use. But actually, it's so hydrating to the point where it's too hydrating, where it actually creates like a very like moist, sticky layer on top of the skin. It's just too thick and it's just too sticky. I wonder what it is about sticky products in this video. It's just too intense of hydration. I'm actually wearing it under my makeup today. It does make your skin look a little bit greasy because it's so intensely hydrating. So yeah, I can't say that I really like this as a moisturizer. So next I have a product that I was really looking forward to trying. This is the Ultimate Spot Cream from CosRX from their AC collection. I just thought that it was really cute packaging. It looks kind of like medicinal, but in like a nice, stylish way. I had a period in time last month where my skin freaked out a lot and I got all these like zits. I went online and I ordered like every single spot treatment that I could find, and this was one of them that I tried recently, and I was really looking forward to it because I had heard that it was really gentle yet effective, and because I have dry skin, it's generally hard for me to find a spot treatment that is gentle yet effective. It is a very gentle formula, which is great for my sensitive skin, but it's so gentle to the point where it didn't really do much. It was also kind of like a hit or miss where I had multiple zits and I would apply this daily to all of them and it would clear up some of them and it wouldn't really do anything to others. I gotta say that this kind of missed the mark for me because it's not a very like reliable product where I don't know that it's gonna work like 100% of the time. So now we're finally getting into the makeup portion of this video, and I have two products to talk about. Generally when it comes to K-beauty, I'm much more invested in the skincare aspect of it, but I am pretty curious about certain makeup products. So the first one is this April Skin Cushion Compact. This is the April Skin Magic Snow Cushion, and it also has SPF 50 in it. I was really curious about this product because I know that this is like a cult favorite of many people when it comes to cushion compacts. So yeah, I finally got my hands on it. So it's a pretty good cushion compact, but it's not my favorite. It's very hydrating and it glides on my skin nicely and it looks very dewy, but it can look cakey. Because it's so dewy, I find that in certain areas of my face, like my nose where there's like natural creases, it can look pretty cakey. But other than that, like on the rest of my face, like my cheeks, it does look really glowy and it looks very nice. I can see why people really like this product, but I've tried so many cushion compacts by now that this is, I guess I would give it like a 7 out of a 10. So lastly, let's talk about eyeshadow palettes. And I have these mini eyeshadow palettes from Chica y Chico. I tried to get as many eyeshadow palettes from them as I could to give like a good, like full review. If you guys can see, I had a really unlucky day where I dropped this and it shattered on me, but surprisingly, the other ones that I dropped didn't shatter and they look good. With each of these palettes, there's 6 different shades, and I find that the formula is very inconsistent. Some of the shades will be very pigmented and very good quality, and then other shades, as much as you like swipe it, like it won't even show up, so it will have like no pigment, and some of them will be very chalky. So I find that it's not very consistent between different eyeshadows in the same little palette. So out of these 6 one-shot eye palettes I have, I actually did like 2 of them. The other 4 were not as good, and you can really tell by how chalky the swatches look. But the ones that I did like were number 3 Brick Khaki and also number 4 Wine Burgundy. These ones were much more consistent in the texture and the colors were really pretty too. So I actually do like these 2, but the rest of them, yeah, I definitely didn't like them. I gotta say, as pretty as the colors are and as cute and travel friendly as these are, I didn't really like them. So instead, I will recommend you guys a Korean palette that I did really like, and that is the Heemish palettes. I have 2 of them, and I recommended these to you guys in my last video where I did a K-beauty review, and I have been using these almost pretty much every day, and I really like these because they actually have pigment in them. So yeah, I would recommend these over the other palettes. So yeah, that is the end of this video. Thank you guys for sticking around until the end. I know that these videos can get kind of long, but skincare is something I'm very passionate about because K-beauty is like really trendy right now. I need to know whether or not things are actually good. As usual, if you guys have any recommendations about K-beauty or any other skincare that you guys would like me to try, please just leave a comment down below and I will definitely get to those. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and I will see you guys again next time.